Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumber Barbecue. Ranch style beans. Originating in Texas in 1872 to feed the workers building the railroad, this iconic black can has become a staple down here in Texas. They were a regular menu item at LBJ's Ranch and became so popular in Hollywood, it's rumored Humphrey Bogart would have 10 cases shipped to him at a time. Now if you've never had ranch style beans, basically it's a pinto bean and a spiced chili gravy. And I'm going to show you how to make it. To make these beans, I'll be using the slow cooker. I'll start with 1 pound rinsed sorted pinto beans. Then add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 4 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1½ teaspoons garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1½ teaspoon sugar, 4 tablespoons chili powder, about a tablespoon of tomato paste, ketchup will work also, and finally 7 cups of water. Now just give it a stir. Since I won't be serving this until this evening, I'll be cooking this for 8 hours on low. If you're cooking this on high, you should only need about 4 hours. One of the things that makes these different than regular barbecue beans is the spiced chili gravy. About 30 to 45 minutes before your timer is up, we're going to make a slurry of 1/4 cup flour and 3/4 cup cold water. Mix that together and give it a good shake to get the lumps out. Once you hit 30 minutes left on the timer, we'll go ahead and add this flour slurry in. This will act as a thickening agent to get that nice thick chili gravy. Now just give it a mix. If you're cooking on low, we'll set the temperature to high for these final 30 minutes. The high temp will really help to thicken up this gravy. And here we are after those last 30 minutes. You can tell this is really thickened up nicely. Let's get a bowl and have a taste. And here we have our final product. The beans are cooked perfectly and the spicy, rich chili gravy looks great. Let's get a bite. That's really good. Just a little bit of heat from that chili powder. Not too spicy at all. Well, if you've gotten into a rut with your barbecue side dishes, tired of making those same old barbecue beans, give these ranch style beans a shot. I'm sure you'll love them. Well, it's the next day and I have all these leftovers, and it's Taco Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to make the best refried beans you've ever had. Traditionally, refried beans are made with lard, but I'm going to use this smoked beef tallow for my Goldie's brisket. About 2 tablespoons. Once that's melted, I'll add all of these leftover ranch style beans. Now we'll just cook these until they come to a simmer. Now we just need to mash these until they come to a smooth consistency. You can use a potato masher like this, or you can use a stick blender. That's what I'll be using. That looks perfect. Let's give it a taste. Alright, here we have our leftover ranch-style beans made into refried beans. Let's give it a taste. A little smoky from that beef tallow. That's really good. Well, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and thanks for watching.